Hey guys, this is Hot Noob here, and the other day I got a uh, I got a video request, so I'm going to be going over registry keys. So first of all, you want to open regedit. You can do that by searching or by using the run. Right? You can also go into the Windows folder for this. Oops, come back here. So this is the registry key editor. I'm just going to be going over through some of the basics. Right, just going to make that more easily. Okay, so the HKey classes root. What this is this is all your registry key information for your file extensions, more detailed programming with Windows and so on. You're probably never going to be opening the HKey classes root, right? The HKey current user, that is the registry key information for the user that you're logged into. So right now I'm logged into HotNoob, or that's my account I'm logged into, and the registry keys correspond with that account. So if you're to change the registry keys for in here, it'll only change for that user. The local machine registry keys, they're going to look similar to the current user to some degree. They're a bit different. The local machine is for all users, right? Your local machine. And whatever, right? Your users, again, you're never really going to go into this, but this is the registry key information for your users and stuff, right? Your user information. I believe your user passwords and so on will show up, right? And these here are your user IDs, right? I think anyway, from what I've seen on it. Then HKey current config. This is just a little bit for configuration. I don't know if every computer has the current config one on. Right, every computer is going to have different registry keys. So what can you do in your registry keys? Like, you can do a lot. It really depends on the program that you're using or that you want to modify or whatever. Registry keys aren't really that important or whatever. It's essentially the same thing as your file system. The only thing that is that your registry keys are on your CPU or something like that. I forgot exactly where they are. It's been quite some time. But it's essentially the same thing as just having a file with a bunch of information, and it's a lot easier to navigate. So the registry keys pretty much just handles information that needs to be accessed quickly and small bits of it, right? A lot of programs will store the settings in it, right? What I mean, I think local machine, so right, you just go through them all, like there's policies, Microsoft, Windows NT, right? There's all sorts of things. Right, for the most part, though, it really just takes a lot of exploring and just figuring stuff out. Let's see what I can remember. I haven't actually touched registry keys in a long time, other than, putting stuff in and programming, but I haven't done much with other editing registry keys of other programs. There really isn't that much special about registry keys. It's just another way of storing information. Stuff like serial numbers are often stored in the registry keys, but because the average user doesn't really know much about the registry keys and stuff, right? So where am I? I'm in Microsoft. Windows, current version. Oh my god. Or is it? Well, whatever. I'm actually more used to using the registry keys with Windows XP than Windows 7. But you can do all sorts of things, right? Cursors, whatever. If you're trying to like hide data or information, you can do that through the registry keys, but it's not, you know, completely hidden, right? You're probably better off encrypting the data. Right. Really, registry keys is just where all the settings are. There isn't much to it, right? Oops. Software, Microsoft. Yeah, the structure is totally different than Windows XP. Anyway, what can you do with registry keys? I'm going to open up a little tool here. I'm just going to pause this while I find. Okay, so this is a little program called TCP Optimizer, right? What it does is it provides you an easy interface to modify the your internet connection related settings. Right, so whatever, right? You can change your adapter settings and whatever. Right, all of this information is in the registry keys, and it provides easy access to some registry keys and stuff, right? So really, there isn't much to do with registry keys. However, if you're looking to find serial keys or whatever, you can just use go up to after current user, right? You don't want to search the classes root, but you can just search for like Adobe or something, right? Adobe, right? And then find all of their junk, right? Flash, Builder, whatever, Reader, Acrobat, right? And you can look for certain phrases and whatever, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just like another file system, and so whatever. Anyway, this is Hot Noob. Come check out my blog. I guess I could look into creating a more advanced registry key tutorial, and I could also look into doing a tutorial about registry keys from a programming point of view. Anyway, this is Hot Noob. Come check out my blog, hotnoob.com.